Go.
All right, guys, today is day 2 of Storybooks. One of my favorite. I love it. All right, so we are working on the letter S. Stretch them out. Get them ready.
Oh, I heard a crack with that one, Miss Kersey.
Did you? Hopefully it didn't come across in the film. All right, so if you look at our S, it's an easy one because this is one of the letters that look the exact same. Just squished. So we have our capital, we have our lowercase. Same shape, lowercase is smaller. Okay? Start at the top, snake it all the way around. Okay, try it one more time. Start at the top and snake it all the way down. Same thing for a lowercase. Again, just smaller. Just smaller. All right. So remember, on your paper, it's kind of like, that's how big it is. It's underneath the bold lines, and it's underneath the little dotted lines. Okay? And then the capital goes all the way up, uses that whole space. Nothing in the basement, nothing in the attic. Okay? All right. Let's use our dry erase marker and start at the top and circle it all the way around. All right, one more. Ooh, stay with me, pen. Lowercase. Wow, squeakity, squeakity, squeak. All right, so we have S is for storybooks. Miss Rachel.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you see any other S's in storybooks?
I do. There is a lowercase one right here in the word is.
Yep.
And there's one at the very end of storybooks. And I see one up here in the corner for wiggle worms.
Good job.
There it is.
No trickin', Miss Rachel. All right, you ready for your guessing game?
Yep, let's do it.
All right.
We've got ourselves a snake.
Yeah. Yep. All right. Wow, this pen is really making some noise.
We have a set of stairs or steps.
Okay.
Both work. They both start with S.
Yeah. All right, let's see. I can see it in my head.
Oh, it's a saw.
Okay.
Yep.
All right, good job. Ugh. This one's not gonna go over well. I can see it now.
That is a shark.
It's not a scary looking shark.
It's a friendly shark.
It is a very friendly shark, apparently. Still stay away from them. All right. Continue drawing. Try to do a guessing game. I'm going to flip it over. We're going to look at the back. Storybooks. So we have 3 little pigs. Big bad wolf. Have you ever read the story of the true story?
Yes, that one is great. I recommend it to all.
That's one of my favorites.
Yep.
That is one of my favorites. All right, so we're going to get our 2 pigs over to the brick house, trying to avoid Mr. Wolf. All right. All right, let's see what Chloe has for us. Remember, try to stay in the middle. If you go out by accident, just erase it. Okay, try it again. If you get a little squirrely, erase it. Try it one more time, okay? Try to stay right in the middle. I know it's a little hard. All right, well, I can tell I'm not going that way. That one's easy. Oh, we are getting close to that wolf.
Ooh, we gotta stay away.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna take a quick dive down. Nope, I don't want to go that way. I'm gonna go here.
We made it to the brick house.
There it is. There it is. All right. If you look at the bottom, we're going to work on our numbers. First thing I want you to do is trace the numbers. Okay? Trace them. I guess I should have been saying them as I traced them. So that one's 1. This one is 4. Is there another way to make a 4, Miss Rachel?
There is, indeed. Yep, they mean
Okay.
the same thing.
I mean the exact same thing. All right, we got our 5. We have 3. And we have 2. Are they in order?
They are not in
Yeah,
order.
they're not in order. Okay, so we
tricky,
don't
tricky.
count like that. So we have 1, 4, 5, 3, 2. All right. What we're going to do is we're going to count each set and then draw a line to the number. Okay, easy. Let's see. We have 1, 2, 3. All right, so do you see 3?
Oh, yes, right here.
All right, so let's draw our line to the 3. All right, that one's easy. We just have one brick house, right?
Yep.
The other one's got blown down. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, 2 ways to write 4. And I always mix them up. Always. All right. 1, 2. 2. Last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There we go. Hey, what letter did that make?
That's an X. There you go.
Oh, you're welcome for that.
Bonus lesson.
All right, so a little symmetry. We get to draw. We get to color. We're going to make the other side of the castle. I'm going to start at the bottom. Miss Chloe has graciously put the dots for us so we can just connect them this time. Okay? So you want to try to stay on the dotted lines. And I'm just working backwards so I don't smear it. You do it any way you want, but just make sure you get all those lines connected. Oh, we got some windows in here. Have you ever been in a castle, Miss Rachel?
I have not.
I was actually in one in Germany, and it was incredible.
Oh, I'm sure. Jealous.
It's a very long time ago. I'd love to go back, but I think that was a once in a lifetime thing.
I didn't even know you've been to Germany. That's amazing.
I have. It was lovely. Look at that. Good job.
love
Good
it.
job. Real quick, parents, one other thing that I wanted to let you know. You do have gems for a different game. You can get those gems out, and you can have your kids use the gems and fill in the letters, okay? And I know you have wiki sticks and you have Play-Doh. All of these things have been sent with other kits as well. You can use those for these letter boards as well. So just putting it out there. All right, you guys. Hope you've had fun. Erase your boards. Put them away. We'll do it again on another day. Bye.